This series, it's been back and forth. We're tied 2-2, game 5. Most likely, whatever team wins here is going to go on to win the final game. Habs, y'all in Tampa Bay right now, man. If y'all could still win here, that's huge. Y'all put yourself in a game closing position, man, to advance to the next round. Tampa Bay, say it all the time. We give them a lot of credit, man. They're a sensational hockey team. I pick Habs in the bracket just because I felt like they hungrier. They wanted more. Get it. Let's play some hockey, baby. We underway. Game 5. Yes, sir. Woo. Get my volume right. All right. All right, first line, we looking. Second line, New Hook, Evans. Dimitrov. Oh. Hook, New Hook. Oh. That's one. Oh, my. Ooh. That was all New Hook there to get aggressive right there. To attack right in front of the net right there. Oh, my God. Then Gallagher did his thing. Look at this.
You get a nice turnover in the middle.
Nice turnover. Did it come? Ooh, look at that was nice. That was nice. Gallagher in the right spot at the same time. Bop. All right. It ain't over, man. The game just started. I already know this is going to come down to the wire, bro. Set it up. Oh. What up? Vaseline. Andre Vaseline. All right. Right still. Pick it. Move it out. Yep. Oh. We gotta watch Hake.
Game 5 here, game 6 Friday night.
Yep, game 6 Friday night. Yes, sir. Dobish. Dobish was like, not today, baby. Nice, Dobish. Look at he landed on top of Dobish. Yes, it is. It is. All right. Cole, don't worry. When time is going to matter the most, when it's going to matter the most, Caulfield going to do something. Damn, why y'all ain't locking my boy Slav, bro? First y'all blew him up the other night. Then they knocked him out cold. Off this. Breaking. Trying to. Oh. Nothing there. That was wild. That was wild. It was so close. Just the angle of that shot was insane to me. Power play, Tampa Bay. He tried to get it through traffic. Nope. Good eyes, Dobish. Kucherov. Watch the middle. Hagel try to get position. No. I think so, a little bit. Suzuki. Oh. Suzuki hit it with the what we call in basketball, the Euro. The Euro stuff. He hit it with the. Nope. Dobish is like, point still battling there.
But had not played since. Lightning get a turnaround shot from who else but Corey Perry. Dobish the same.
Man, so scrappy. I wish I'm able to watch the scraps, bro, but Sportsnet's blocked some of my videos, so I'm trying to stay away from the channel just a little bit. No chance, no chance, no chance. In the glove, that's no chance. Second period. Habs 1, Tampa Bay 0. Point on the floor. Oh, nice Vaseline. Oh, that was such a chance, but Vaseline got back. Yep, look at that. Look at that. That was it right there. New Hook had a goal. Wrap. Oh, yeah. With a whistle. Man, it's madness. Look at that. Look at the fight. It's madness. It's madness, bro. Oh, he got him. He got Kucherov. Evans. No, I couldn't do nothing about it.
And he gave a whack to Hudson as he was heading to the bench. Gonzalez on his man worked it down deep.
Yeah.
Gonzalez there.
Oh, he tried to get a stick in there. Damn. 2-1. That was actually nice. That was actually nice. Oh my. It's unfortunate they got it right there. That was You gotta respect the obviously you gotta respect the pass there, obviously. Yeah, but that little look was enough for James to get you. Yep. Yeah, that's tough. McDonough was ready too, but they got him. All right, we got 1-1 game, man. 13 minutes in the second. Oh, that was. Oh, he got a ball. Oh my God! Really?
Boy, ain't no way. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
It's like he hit it with the slow motion. He fooled you.
To give the Canadiens a 2-1 lead. 11 seconds.
Look at this. Look at this. He just stayed with it. He stayed with it.
Kicks it to his skate.
God, that's crazy. The poke check actually got the goal.
And then finishes it.
And he finished it his own. Wow.
Right there. Big body, some great
yeah, that's big effort. You just got to fight. Oh. Look at him right here. God, ooh, that little. That's what got him right there.
Crowd's still excited from Tampa Bay's goal.
All right. Here we go. 2-1.
Tampa changing.
Oh, they're aggressive. They got aggressive. He's looking for no. No, loose puck, loose puck, loose puck. There we go. No, they missed the stick. Oh, he lost the puck. He lost the puck.
But they just wasted the entire Kucherov shift there. Matheson lets it go, misses the mark. And now Tampa looking to break back the other way.
Breaking. 2-1. You can't beat that. It's just too good, man. It's just too damn good, bro. Get to 2-1. They had the numbers. Look at this. Yep. He just beat Dobich. He just beat him. Once the knee. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, Dobich is hurt. He didn't like it. I know, bro. You fell for it, bro. American. Shout out to my Canadiens too. You know I love y'all, man.
Minute 45 to go in the period. Slavkovsky got it through. Shot is stopped. Demidov banging away.
This thing gonna come down to the last minute, third period, dog.
Look, if they win this draw, if Cirelli wins this, should be a one-timer up top.
Tampa Bay, man, y'all playing beautifully, bro. Like I said, oh, that was off the post. That would have been bad. Kucherov normally scores that. He's off. I don't know what it is. He's off a little bit, I guess.
Kucherov couldn't cash
it, yep.
And we stay tied at 2-all.
The net was wide open. Kucherov, he's upset. No. All right. Okay, I like that. Set it up. All right, here we go. Let's get locked in, baby. Oh, nice pass down.
Boy, ain't no way, man.
Whoa. Stretch pass out to get it out in front. Texier.
Montreal to move this puck up the ice. Watch how Vasilevsky
So
almost gets this, hits his glove.
It was just.
And trickles over into the back of the net.
You know the puck moves certain ways, bro. One hell of a shot.
Puck moved up quickly.
Look, I'm not cheering too much because I know it's not over. I know Tampa Bay is still like that. Avs. All right, we got a minute left. Whoa. We got to slow it down. Third period. A minute and 37 seconds left. Tampa Bay has an empty net here. Montreal has 3 up, 3-2.
Hagel didn't want the shot. Radish for Hagel. Shooting lane there. Dumps it down low. Backhand shot. Stopped by Dovish.
It's traffic. It's blocked.
5 seconds left.
5 seconds. Oh my God. Oh, they're gonna win. They're gonna win. Oh, the Habs won. They fighting at the end of the thing. Oh my God, look at them. Oh, he got a good hit on him. You see Suzuki with the right hand. Look at Suzuki with the right. Bro, this game 6, it's going to be insane. I got to see what time it is, see if I could go live. I think it's just out of my time zone. Montreal, congratulations on the win. I'll see y'all next game. Yeah.